Merry Christmas, Hana Kwanzaa. It is your host with the most on buttered toast, Captain Meep, aka the Roadrunner of the streets. And in today's special video, we are going to be reviewing what your options are for this coming holiday season for your favorite car person in your life. So, without further ado, let us get started. Exquisite. Now, when you're thinking of tools and gadgets, it's very important to take inventory or try to notice what your car lover enthusiast friend has already, in their toolbox. So, if possible, I would like for you to sneak into their shed, their garage, their toolbox if you see one. Try to take account and inventory of what they already have so you can write down what it is that they don't. Or you can just ask them. Not everything has to be a surprise. You can go right up to them and ask them what tools that they're looking at, which ones are saved in the cart, because we always have something saved in the cart ready to be purchased. So you can just ask them what tools are they looking for, what tools that they need to help make their lives a little bit more easier and a little bit more functional. There are a lot of tools that are available that are on Amazon.com. I purchase a lot of my tools from Amazon, if not eBay, or I'll go directly to Harbor Freight. I'll leave a link in the description below for some great beginner tools if they're a beginner, and there will also be things available for your more intermediate and advanced renters. Check that out and you'll be able to add some tools that you can put under the tree this season. When you're thinking about car care products, it's important to try to think about what kind of car that you're looking. You can never go wrong with your basic handheld vacuum cleaner. You can't go wrong with microfiber towels and your basic upholstery kit. Armor All actually offer car washing kits that are available on Amazon for a relatively small price. I believe you can get one anywhere between 20 to 50 bucks, depending on your particular needs. Like I said, microfiber kits, wheel shine, rim shine. Buying somebody just a bucket that comes with soap available in the cart is a great and thoughtful idea, as we are always looking to keep our ride looking as clean and as pristine as possible. So you can never go wrong with microfiber kits. You can't go wrong with your basic detailing kit from Amazon, because let's face it, Amazon has everything. I'll leave a link to the detail kit in the description below. And last but not least, when you think about collectibles, the easiest thing to get for your favorite car enthusiast is a collectible Hot Wheels. You can go to any Target, Walmart, or even Amazon, eBay, even Facebook Marketplace to find a Hot Wheels. But the tricky thing about buying Hot Wheels is you have to buy one that suits their particular taste. Take notice of the theme or the type of vehicles that they like, whether it be Oldsmobiles, American vehicles, Japanese vehicles, and base your decision based off of that. I've received Hot Wheels vehicles that I wasn't necessarily fond of, but it just comes down to paying attention to what your person actually likes. If you don't opt for Hot Wheels, you can go get an actual model car. You can get, you can get them in any size. You can actually get them an RC car. You can get them a Lego car that they can build. Those are available on Amazon as well. You can get them an actual drift car if the person that you are shopping for is into drifting. I'll leave a link for all of those options available just below, just so you can have more options. Everything has to be catered to the particular person that you're shopping for. So whether in the drag racing, drifting, or they just overall like beautiful vehicles, there's something for everybody, and it makes it easier to shop for them this season, especially before the holidays actually get here. Shopping for a car enthusiast can be pretty hard because everything we like is super expensive, I know. But we have lists upon lists and tabs upon tabs of things that we want to buy that are sitting in the cart that we're just waiting for the right opportunity or just waiting for the money to actually come together so we can get them. If you aren't comfortable with making a decision on your own based on what to get for that person, nothing can beat just asking them, what would you like help with? What type of things do you need for your vehicle, or what will help you get it started in your car journey? If there's anything that you guys feel like I missed, please leave a comment below to help make this season in 2024 the best shopping season for us car enthusiasts. And while you're already here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to let you know every time I upload a new video. It's your boy Captain Meep, the Roadrunner of the streets, signing off, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas, Hana Kwanzaa.